Hello friends, welcome back to the world of knowledge. Today we are going to learn the names of different fruits in English and Spanish. Let's get started.
Apple,
Manzana,
apple,
manzana,
banana,
plátano,
banana,
plátano,
orange,
naranja,
orange,
naranja,
mango,
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 grapes,
uvas,
grapes,
uvas,
pineapple,
piña,
pineapple,
piña,
strawberry,
fresa,
strawberry,
fresa,
watermelon,
sandía,
watermelon,
sandía,
cherry,
cereza,
cherry,
cereza,
peach,
durazno,
peach,
durazno,
pear,
pera,
pear,
pera,
lemon,
limón,
lemon,
limón,
pomegranate,
granada,
pomegranate,
granada,
blueberry,
arándano,
blueberry,
arándano,
coconut,
coco,
coconut,
coco.
Great job everyone. Now you know how to say these fruits in English and Spanish. Keep practicing. You will remember them easily. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the world of knowledge for more fun lessons. See you next time.